Kua stated that during his tenure as Attorney General, his then Secretary Dr. Lawrence Kalinoe faced significant political pressure from the Finance Department to authorize these payments. Kua's testimony was part of the trial of Jacob Yafai, the former acting Secretary of Finance, who is accused of authorizing fraudulent payments to Paraka Lawyers without proper approval. Kua recounted that while he was in his home district, Dr. Kalinoe contacted him about conflicting directives concerning the payment arrangements to Paul Paraka Lawyers. In response, Kua wrote to Finance Minister Marape seeking clarification but did not receive a reply. Appointed as Minister for Justice and Attorney General on August 10, 2012, Kua played a role in Task Force Sweep, an anti-corruption initiative established following whistleblower Neville Devete's exposure of inflated payments to Paraka Lawyers. Kua testified that he was dismissed by then Prime Minister Peter O'Neill over decisions made during the operation and was succeeded by Se Ano Pala, who later stated that the payments to Paraka Lawyers were legal, a position Kua continues to dispute. Kua emphasized that legal bills should undergo the Department of Justice and Attorney General's taxation process before payment. However, due to depleted court order funds, payments to Paraka Lawyers were made using the Finance Department's Reserve Trust account. When questioned about the purpose of this account, Chief Justice Segib Salika noted that Marape was unable to provide an explanation. During the proceedings, Chief Justice Segib Salika questioned why appointed ministers who were aware of such payments did not report these potential illegal transactions to the relevant authorities. He commended Mr. Devete for his courage in bringing the suspicious activities to light, stating, "This country will go down if we are not playing our roles." The trial continues as court examines the actions of various officials involved in the Paraka Lawyer payment scandal. After the court, here's what Kua had to say.
Bring that process to a completion because it's important to Yafai. If he is innocent, the court will say so. And that will clear a huge burden off his shoulder and he can live his life as a normal person. But if on the other hand, he's found to be culpable, then of course the judges will say something about accountability from him and that will relieve Papua New Guineans at large. They will see that the rule of law is still alive in this country.
James Guken, National EMTV News.